Elle s'appelait Marinette, elle était jolie mais bête.
Welcome to your French class. In today's class, we'll do Passé Récent. So Passé Récent we do when we talk about completed actions that happened shortly before the moment of speaking. So let's see how to conjugate Passé Récent. For Passé Récent, we use venir verb. Then we write then the infinitive form of the given verb. So whenever we talk about the actions which have just taken place or have just finished, we use Passé Récent. So now first we'll write venir's conjugation. I'm writing all the pronoun first. Je, tu, il, elle. Nous, vous, il, elle. In all plural cases. Now we'll write the conjugation of venir. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. So this is how we conjugate venir verb, because venir is irregular form. So this is the way how we conjugate it. After writing the conjugation, you have to write the. Je viens de, then the infinitive form. Tu viens de, then the infinitive form. So let's say if I need to use dire verb here, I'll say je viens de dire. Tu viens de dire. Il or elle vient de dire. Vous venez de dire. Vous venez de dire. Il or elle viennent de dire. So when I translate now, it means I have just said. I am not translating dire as to say, because it is used here as infinitive form after venir de, which shows a past tense, passé récent, recently done actions. So I'll say, I have just. So this just word in English shows that something just happened. And here this venir verb will show the same. Or in the other way you can say, the actions you are coming doing will be written here with venir de. So, je viens de dire, I have just said. Tu viens de dire, you have just said. Il or elle vient de dire, he or she has just said. Vous venez de dire, we have just said. Vous venez de dire, you or you all have just said. Il or elle viennent de dire, they, the boys or they, the girls, have just said. Now we'll see the usage of passé récent in sentences. Now let's see the first sentence. Tu dash ton ami dans le restaurant, and your verb is attendre. The verbs when are written in this way, as I have written them in the bracket without any conjugation, when they are not indicating any specific tense, present, past or future, we call them infinitive forms. And you can easily recognize infinitive forms because they will always end with re, ir or maybe er. So we want these verb forms in the infinitive cases only. Before that, we'll write venir de. Venir's conjugation to indicate the tense, passé récent. Now let's take number 1. Tu dash ton ami dans le restaurant. The verb is rencontrer, which we'll write in the infinitive form. Infinitive forms are when they are not conjugated, the way they are written here in brackets. They are all infinitive forms. You can easily recognize them because they will end with er, ir or re. And in this state, they don't indicate any particular tense like past, present or future. So, we will indicate passé récent by writing venir's conjugation to show that something has just been done. So, tu, now we'll write venir's conjugation, which is viens. Tu viens. Now we have to write this de. Now the infinitive form, which is rencontrer. As it is, I have written the same way as it was given here in the bracket, in the infinitive form. Tu viens de rencontrer ton ami dans le restaurant. You have just met your friend in the restaurant. Number 2. Isabelle dash la glace. Your verb is faire. Faire is already in the infinitive form. Isabelle is a girl, so we'll write the same conjugation which we write for elle. So it is vient. Isabelle vient de. This the we are writing. Now the infinitive form, which is faire. Isabelle vient de faire. Isabelle have just made the ice cream. Number 3. Elle dash il y a 2 heures. Your verb is dormi, which is again in infinitive. Elle again will take the same conjugation vient. Elle vient de dormir. She has just slept 2 hours ago. Or 2 hours ago, she has slept. So 2 hours ago, this time is already indicating when Ilya is given with time, it means ago. So already it is indicating something happened just 2 hours ago. So we are writing Passé Récent. Number 4. Je dash mon devoir. Your verb is fini. So for je, Venir's conjugation is viens. Je viens. Now this the. Now the infinitive form fini. Je viens de finir mon devoir. I have just finished my homework. Number 5. Nous dash un beau film. Your verb is voir, which means to see. So nous conjugation of venir is vano. Nous venons de voir un beau film. We have just seen a good movie, a good film. So this is how we conjugate venir de. We'll see some sentences in the next class of Passé Récent. So this is the way how we conjugate. If you need to ask any question related to the topic, do ask me in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye.